Dear family, today I'll be cooking ogbono soup. Welcome people. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. The ingredients are cooked beef stock, Ponmo, stockfish, palm oil, ogbono. This ogbono has been blended and this is what it looks like. So the other ingredients are chili pepper, mackerel fish, crayfish powder. This is what it looks like. Sliced ugu leaves that has been washed, stock cubes, and salt. I'll pour my palm oil into a pot and allow it heat up briefly, after which I'll add the ogbono and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So a lot of people send me messages asking where they can easily buy Nigerian foods. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check if you are interested. By the way, this is not an advert of any form. This is just me responding to one of your many questions. As you can see, I'm scooping the fried ogbono into another bowl and I'll be using this pot to continue cooking. So stay tuned. Now I'll pour some water into this pot. And add my stockfish, which I'll be cooking for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll add my cooked beef, Ponmo, mackerel fish, some call it Titus fish, beef stock, salt, stock cube. I don't know why these seasoning cubes are always so hard nowadays. As in, it is doing me like I should just use hammer to scatter the thing. Please, I'm just kidding. So I'll add chili pepper, crayfish powder, and I'll mix it gently to, allow everything mix well and shoko yokoto, as my Yoruba people will say. Then I'll cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll be adding the fried ogbono. I'll be adding it in batches and also making sure that it dissolves well before adding another one so that I don't have a lumpy soup. As you can see, the way I am mixing it, just to ensure that it dissolves really well. So I'll mix it gently at this point and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat while leaving the pot uncovered. That is very important. Don't cover the pot. After 10 minutes, I'll be adding my sliced ugu leaves. These ugu leaves have been washed. I'll mix it gently and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat as well. Ogbono soup is ready. My people, I get so excited when food is ready. Looking at this soup, what will you be eating it with? Is it fufu or eba? Shamala lefefi jeni, abi semo, or maybe wheat. My Ondo people, is it kupuri kale you'll be using? My wonderful dear family, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. You can also share this video, and of course, I always love reading from you. As for me, I will be enjoying this soup with Eko. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes.